Hello everyone and welcome back to the Decentralized Bull Channel. Today on this very amazing day, Bitcoin is almost crossing the $100,000 again, which is incredible. And we can see right here, Bitcoin is about to go above the $100,000 zone, which is quite amazing. We can see it here. We are still facing some resistance. We saw already in the past here, the price got rejected a couple of times after we got down from the 109k. So we need to be still very cautious, but in my opinion, I think we will see a 6-digit Bitcoin by the end of today, just $200. Also, the US market is going to open in around 3 hours, so we might see a big move to the upside. Let's see if that will happen or not. If that won't be the case, the support zone is here at 95,500. Let's see if we'll go there or not. In my opinion, I think we will go definitely up. And also, we opened our trade here on the support zone. Let me quickly show it to you. Already massive in the profits, 3k here the Bitcoin trade, then another 3.8k the Ethereum trade. Massive profits for the decentralized community. So if you're watching my videos, leave a comment down below and let me know if you joined me on these trades here. If you want to trade like me do, I'm trading here on the VX exchange. I have a very exclusive offer for you down in the description, and in the pinned comment you can get a up to $30,000 bonus. Very easy to get bonuses as well. You just have to sign up, connect your phone, and then you can already claim the first bonuses, which is quite amazing. Thank you VX for this opportunity. And now let's go into the technicals and see what can we expect in the upcoming weeks. We can see here Bitcoin quite nicely, almost diagonal trend, guys, which is quite amazing. You can see here higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and now we are going probably. We need to go above this zone, so it would be very nice if we go to 102, and then we have some sideways consolidation, or maybe even a pump to 110. It's also very likely. The bulls are in town right here. We can see Bitcoin made massive gains. Let me quickly pull out the measurement tool here, and we can see it here from just 1 month ago. Bitcoin is already up over 34%. So quite amazing gains. If you would have put $100,000 into Bitcoin just 1 month ago, you would have made $34,000 profits. Quite amazing opportunities here in the crypto market. That's why I'm making these videos, to show you the opportunities out there and the possibilities. You can literally live just from trading and the crypto space alone. If you don't want to trade, you can also just invest for the long term, which is also very, actually, the most profitable. The most profitable people are the ones who invested 10 years ago and they kept believing in the Bitcoin price. Now, without further ado, let's take a look at Ethereum, which is also above 1,900. Quite amazing. And here we can see here my Ethereum trade, 3.8k in the profit, quite nicely, 244% profit. I opened this trade with you in my videos, so make sure you're watching my videos if you wanna learn how to trade and how you can open this trade. Literally, you can see I just used only $1,500 in margin for this trade, and I already made almost 3x on this margin. Very soon it's going to be more than 3x. The Bitcoin trade, I put a little bit more margin and it's a little bit slower, but which is fine because Bitcoin has been already moving incredibly from the 74k. Now let's go and take a look at our favorite coin. We also talked about it in the previous videos, and I think I'm gonna do more videos about it. And this coin is Sui, $3.72. I opened the trade on Sui, if you watched my previous videos as well, at around 3.20. Unfortunately, after that we hit my stop loss at $3.15. This trade got stopped out. It happens, this is fine. We will get some new opportunities. Right now we can see here some resistance facing here, so I would be a little bit careful. Once we break above this resistance, I would definitely open a long if we confirm with volume. And let's take also a look as well here on the RSI. On the 4-hourly RSI, we can see Sui is unfortunately a little bit overbought. let's see what will happen with it as well. So we might even get a chance to open a new trade here at $3.30, which is quite nice. I also did a big OTC deal for Sui. I got around 30% discount, which is quite incredible. The price was just $3.20, I think, back then, so I got a nice discount, which I'm very, very happy. With this kind of OTC deals, you usually have a vesting period of a couple of months, so you don't get all the tokens at the beginning, so you have to be a long-term holder and a believer in the project. Now let's see here, Doge also 18 cents, very nice. We can see all the gains. Let's see actually who are the top performers. We can see here Rex, Bank, Pixify, all the very small coins. Pengu is the only one that I know from here. And besides that, a lot of small cap coins are moving good percentages right now. So there are definitely opportunities in the market. I wouldn't jump into all of these shiny coins. Usually after this kind of pumps, the markets retrace quite hardly. You can see it here, for example, this token pumped a couple of days ago to 41 cents, and from there it went down to 22. So 45% in just 3 days loss. So you need to be very careful, especially if using leverage. Now, with that being said, congratulations to all of you. Bitcoin is about to hit $100,000. And one quick look again. Maybe we hit already 100,000, but we didn't yet. So we might hit $100,000 later today. I will keep you updated on Instagram, on Twitter. Please follow me there as well. And as always, don't forget to take profits. Bye bye.